Yeah, I'm probably gonna have this on next week. I can't even lie to you. Layla, you look good. Layla, you look good. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl Tisha Isabella. Today I'm gonna be unboxing, unpackaging this Faux Locs wig. A vendor off Amazon sent me this. I'm gonna put the name right here. I'm gonna put the link in the description. I cannot remember the name right now. I have too many wigs to show you guys, so I'm gonna make sure I put the name and the link in it. And if you like it, go copy it. But okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. This video is gonna be short. I'm just gonna be showing you guys the wig and giving you an initial review. And if you like this hair, I got to edit it, but I'm gonna drop this video in like 2 days. I just installed it yesterday, so give me a day to edit it, and I have the video and the hair link out. But it's this 12-inch deep wave wig. Amazon Prime sent to me in 2 days. Like, they showing out. But I'm gonna have a video up in a couple days so y'all can see me install it. But let me go ahead and open this. I don't even know what inch it is. It just say wavy twist braid wig, 38 inch. Inside they included a wig cap, some lashes, and them gold clinks to go onto the wig, gold accessories. It does really look natural though, you guys. Like, it's giving real natural, like my own dreads. I never had a braided wig, so this is all new to me. It's kind of thin, but you know, it'll probably be thicker once you wear it. And it's long. Hold up, I've never had a braid wig. Y'all, hold up, hold up. I gotta thank them so much for sending me this wig. I didn't know it was gonna look this good. Like, I knew it was gonna look good, but this looks good, y'all. They did their thing on this. I've always been scared to try a braid wig because you'll think it'll be heavy. This is how the back looks, so it's all lace, you guys. Hold up. I've been wanting some Faux Locs, but they've been saying it takes so long to take it down, so I just been avoiding getting it. But hold up, baby girl. I wish I had no wig on. I sure would have tried this on. I believe it was like $130, something like that. I didn't pay for it. They sent it to me. But I believe that's the price of it. But it's totally worth it. They got this adjustable band on it. Got the little grooves on it to make sure it's comfortable. And they got the combs right here, 2 right here and 1 in the back. And they just sent me the wigs to do a review. They do not tell me to make sure I tell y'all 5-star none of it. I'm always give y'all the honest truth, okay? Y'all, this Lele. Show them Lele. Show them Lele. This is cute. Y'all, this is cute. You can't lie. What happened right here? They got some. Okay, they got some on the sole down, so I guess it the flow right. I guess. I'm gonna install this so y'all can see this because this is cute. Hold up. If they got a braid one, I know it looks so neat, just like how the plaits look so neat. I know it's gonna look so neat with some box braids, medium or small, medium size, yeah, some medium size. It's gonna look pretty as hell. They even took out some baby hairs right here. I'm gonna push it all the way back so you can see how long she is. It's 38 inches. I'm gonna put it towards me so y'all can see the length it is to me. I'm 5'2", so you'll know how long it is. But y'all, this is super cute. I love the way they crinkled it. Y'all, they look like a real scalp. You can't tell me nothing. It look like a real scalp. And then they got the baby hairs right here like I showed y'all. Baby, they look like a real scalp. And then the hair that they use, it looks so natural, like a real dread. I see why it's $130. It's really cute. It's gonna be for another day though. Maybe I can get a chance to try to install it this weekend so y'all can see it. I really just wanted to show y'all the wig itself. But yeah, that will be it for the video. I just wanted to show y'all the wig. I want to see real quick if I can put it in a style, like, you know, half up, half down. Yeah, you can definitely put it in a half up, half style, or you can do how they do. Oh, and curve the put it over the forehead, whatever they be doing. Y'all, this is gonna be cute. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have this on next week. I can't even lie to you. Layla, you look good. Layla, you look good as fuck, girl. I'm gonna play with you, Layla, and give him face. Period. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you liked the hair because it's cute. Like, they did their thing on it. It'll take like 4 hours to do it. All you gotta do is put it on your head and do your baby hairs or whatever. If somebody asks me, it's a wig. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment in the description what you think of the wig. Do y'all think Layla is rocking it? But yeah, y'all have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe.